Imagine waking up to a breathtaking sunrise. This is North Bali. This hidden gem offers stunning landscapes, vibrant wildlife, and enchanting waterfalls. Ready to explore? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the wild dolphins. Head to Lovina Beach early in the morning. As the sun breaks, dolphin pods appear. Witness dolphins playing and leaping through the waves. It's nature's own performance. Feel the joy of witnessing these creatures in their natural habitat. Now, let's explore the stunning waterfalls. Bali is home to mesmerizing Banyumala waterfalls. Feel the cool mist on your skin as you approach. The sound of rushing water is soothing. Take a dip and refresh yourself in the natural pools. Imagine hiking through lush greenery. Connect with nature as you walk. Now let's recap. North Bali offers stunning sunrises, playful dolphins, and mesmerizing waterfalls. Each element showcases the beauty of this region. So what's next? Plan your trip to North Bali today. Don't just watch videos, go out and explore. Your adventure awaits.